Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn colors in Finnish. Värit suomeksi. Let's begin. Colors. Värit. Sininen, blue. Punainen, red. Keltainen, yellow. Vihreä, green. Musta, black. Valkoinen, white. Oranssi, orange. Vaaleanpunainen, pink. Violetti, purple. Ruska, brown. Harma, grey. Now let's have a look at example sentences. Omena on punainen means the apple is red. Taivas on sininen, the sky is blue. Aurinko on keltainen, the sun is yellow. Lehdet ovat vihreitä, the leaves are green. Kissa on musta, the cat is black. Lumi on valkoinen, snow is white. Koripallo on oranssi, the basketball is orange. Tamakukka on vaaleanpunainen, this flower is pink. Vinäripäälet ovat violetteja, the grapes are purple. Karhu on ruskea, the bear is brown. Now you know how to make sentences with the colors. Here is some more color vocabulary. Värikäs, colorful. Vaalea, light. Tumma, dark. Vaaleansininen, light blue. Tummanvihreä, dark green. Now, if you want to ask someone what is your favorite color, you can say, Mikä on lämpivärisi? This was all about colors in this video. If you are enjoying this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video.